Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. In a major development, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has restrained the Punjab government from declaring the results of the selection of 2,364 elementary teacher training teachers, but allowed the state government to continue with the selection process. A pursual of petition shows that the petitioners have prima facie a genuine cause. In the meanwhile, the counselling may go on, but no final result will be declared till the next date of hearing, said the High Court, observing the case in its order released on Wednesday. A vacation bench of Justice Sudipti Sharma of High Court has passed the orders while hearing a petition filed by Mahavir Singh and others and adjourned the matter for July 1. The main issue is whether candidates with the 18 months diploma in the elementary education from National Institute of Open Schooling are eligible. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has passed these orders considering the Punjab government's earlier submission before the High Court that the selection process has been completed and the result would be declared in the terms of original advertisement. The petitioners had challenged the June 7 order passed by the Director Education Recruitment Directorate Punjab, where as per the view of the Officer of the Advocate General Punjab, candidates having 18 months diploma from National Institute of Open Schooling, the NIOS, were held not liable to be considered for the selection or appointment to the post of ETT teachers. Counsel for the petitioners, Advocate Vikas Chatrat, contended that the respondents have passed the impunged order without any order from this court, rejecting the claim of petitioners and going by the opinion of the Advocate General Office of Punjab, which amounts to the contempt of court. Chatrat also submitted that the petitioners have apprehensions that they have not been called for counselling because of the impunged order, and they have prayed for interim relief of not declaring the result. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.